In this video I'm going to show you how to log in into CapCut. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first open up your CapCut application and next click on that person's icon at the top left corner, and here select how you wish to log in. You can do it with Facebook, with Apple ID or with TikTok. I'll hit on TikTok, and after a couple of seconds I now logged into my account on CapCut. I can hit there on manage account, and there I can link here my another accounts, Facebook and Apple. I can just hit on link and link that accounts here too. Now you know how it works, and if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.